section. Welcome to our maths lesson today. We're just going to start with something a little bit different today. We aren't learning 2D shape, but we are going to just think about the shapes that we've learned in school before. Okay, so this shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to point and you're going to say the shape name with me. Then I'm going to tell you what we're learning today. Okay, off we go then. Square, triangle, circle, rectangle, and again, square, triangle, circle, rectangle. Now I'm going to mix them up. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle. Well done. We are still warming up our brains. To warm up our brains, we need to put these numbers in order. Can you help me? Yes, 1 is first. What comes after 1? Number 2. Good job. What comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. What is 1 more than 3? That's right, 4. And what is 1 more than 4? Yes, 5. Down and around with a flag on top. What comes after number 5? Yes, number 6. What comes after 6? 7. Good job. And what is 1 more than 7? 8. Well done. What is 1 more than 8? 9. And what is our last number? That's number 10. Well done. Children, now what I would like you to do is I would like you to pause the video and write your numbers from 1 to 10 on your whiteboard. Pause the video, have a go. Good job. Now, I would like you now to pause the video and tell an adult, what does this sign mean? Pause the video, tell an adult. Yes, this is the add sign, and the add sign means that we count all together. Children, when we add, does the number get bigger or does the number get smaller? Yes, it gets bigger. Well done. Now I want you to have a look at this sign. Pause the video, tell an adult, what does this sign mean? Yes, this sign means subtract. Can you say that? Subtract. And subtract means that we take away. Can you say that? Take away. Well done. And children, does the number get bigger or does the number get smaller when we subtract? Yes, it gets smaller because we're taking away. Okay? Last one. Pause the video, tell an adult, what does this sign mean? Well done. It means equals. Can you say that? Equals. And equals means that we're about to find out our answer. We're about to find out our total. So, we're going to say our key vocab and then I'm going to tell you what we're doing today. Subtract, your turn. Take away, your turn. Smaller, your turn. Add, your turn. More, your turn. Bigger, your turn. Well done. And that is our key vocab today because we are thinking about how to add and how to subtract. Normally we just do subtract or normally we just do add, but today we're going to do both. So what you need to be really careful of and what you really need to do is you need to use your eyes really carefully to check what sign is in the middle of our equation. You need to check, is it a subtract sign or is it an add sign? You must check that first, okay? So then we know what to do. So that's what I'm going to be looking for today. So we're going to do this by using our bead strings. I've got bead strings. You can use pasta shells. You can use beads if you like. You can use whatever it is that you've got in your home. Just go and get it. Pause the video, get something that you can use. We need 10. Okay, let's say our number sentence together. 8 subtract 3 equals 8. Subtract. So look, children, I'm going to use my eyes to check what sign I've got in the middle. Let's have a look. Yes, I've got the subtract sign, and subtract means take away. So watch me. I'm going to do this with my bead strings. 8 subtract 3. Our starting number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't need to do this yet because you're just watching this time, watching me. I have 8. I'm just going to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, do I add or do I subtract? I'm looking at the sign. Yes, I take away, I subtract. So I need to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's find out our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 beads left. So I'm going to write my answer here because 5 is our answer. But children, have a look. I'm going to change the sign now. So I'm going to rub this out because our answer is going to be different now. A little bit slow today. And now I'm going to change the sign so that it's an add sign, okay? So let's say our number sentence now, 8 add 3 equals, I'm using my eyes to look at the sign. What do I need to do? Do I add or do I subtract? That's right, I add. So watch me, our starting number is still 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this time I'm adding 3. So I need to add 3 more, remembering my number gets bigger. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our answer is 11 now. I made sure that I use my eyes to check the sign. And I need you to use your eyes to check the sign now too. Let's say this number sentence together. 7 add 2 equals, remember, use your eyes to look at the sign. What do we need to do? Is it an add sign or is it a subtract sign? Use your eyes to look at this sign. Can you pause the video? Can you work out what we need to do? Please pause the video. Well done. You should have worked this out now using your objects in your home. Now it's my turn and I'm going to help. Let's see if you did the same as me. I'm using my bead strings. 7 add 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add 2 more. 1, 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. We used our eyes to check the equation sign. That way we didn't get the wrong answer. Okay, now it's your turn again. Please use your eyes, check the sign. Then work out your answer. Pause the video. Well done. I used my eyes to check our sign. It was a subtract sign, so I knew I must take away. I knew my number will get smaller. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know subtract means take away, and I know my number is going to get smaller, and it has gotten smaller. 1, 2. Only 2 beads left. So that is our answer. Did you check? Ooh. It's not a very good 2, is it? Did you check the sign before you worked out your answer? I hope so, because you should have got 2 if you did. Well done. Okay, just before we finish, I would like look at this. I tried to work this out earlier. So have a look. I've done 7 dots here. I've done 2 dots here, and I got my answer, and I thought my answer was 9. Pause the video. Am I right or am I not right? And if I'm not right, what have I done? Pause the video and tell an adult. That's right, I've added. I didn't use my eyes to check the sign. I added instead. I added them together, but what should I have done? I should have subtracted, that's right, I should have taken away. So I need to rub these out because I'm not adding, I'm subtracting 2. I've got 7, I subtract 2, and that leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh dear, silly me. Just going to rub out our answer and put 5, because 5 is our answer. Well done. 5 is our answer. Good job, everybody. You did fabulous adding now. You have a worksheet to do that has adding and subtracting. Why not draw your eyes at the top of the page to remind you to look at the sign? Okay, have a go. I'll see you tomorrow.